tasty. Pancakes are one of my very favourite foods. Loaded nachos, tofu, vegan feta cheese, rainbow salad, packed full of nutrition. Fantastically delicious. You have got to try it. Hi lovely people, welcome to a new plant-based vegan what I eat in a day. Today's recipes are so tasty, they're packed full of nutrition, protein, and they're healthy. And did I say they're delicious? Today's first recipe is pancakes, like an English style crepe that's rollable. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, packed full of nutrition. They're so yummy. Throw strawberries on there, peanut butter, banana, whatever you like on a pancake. Lunch today is next level. It's a salad I used to make, but I veganized it, and I can't wait for you to try it. It's tofu marinated in a gorgeous marinade, air fried with feta cheese and rainbow salad and protein pasta. It is so scrumptious. And then dinner tonight are loaded nachos. This is a dish I've been loving lately. All of those recipes are gluten-free, packed full of nutrition and protein, but they're not oil-free. If you haven't already, please do hit the like button, subscribe, make sure your notifications are turned on. Every week I'm bringing out new recipe videos.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around.
Pancakes are one of my very favourite foods. They always have been. An English crepe style rollable pancake that are so nutritious and healthy, full of protein and so delicious. Made with oat flour, chickpea flour, ground chia, pea protein and plant milk, and that is it. Incredible consistency. They're really fast to make with so few ingredients. These pancakes are really high in protein, they're gluten-free and really nutritious. We're adding 8 tablespoons of oat flour. I love starting my day with oats. They're rich in protein, minerals, antioxidants. They're great for your heart, cholesterol, and they keep you feeling full for longer. 4 teaspoons of chickpea flour. I love chickpea flour because it's high in protein and it's sticky. But this is a sweet recipe, so we don't add too much chickpea flour because of its flavour. 4 teaspoons of your favourite vegan protein powder. I love organic pea protein. 4 teaspoons of ground chia. I love chia for its protein, omegas, iron, calcium and magnesium, and its binding properties. I grind my own chia seeds in a small herb grinder. I find it so handy in recipes. This will make 4 medium-sized crepe pancakes, which is a perfect breakfast for us. First, I mix my dry ingredients really well together. This is my favourite plant milk. I use it in everything. I'm going to add 24 tablespoons. I think that's 350 millilitres. When I make a batter, I always add about 1/3 of the milk or water. Make the batter into a lovely paste, and then add the rest of the milk slowly to make sure the batter is perfectly smooth. The ground chia will expand and make the batter thick and nicely stuck together. Add a few optional sprinkles of cinnamon to taste. This will make it sweeter. Cinnamon is a really powerful superfood. Look into its health benefits. I like to whisk the batter smooth and let it sit for 5 to 10 to let it thicken. The only less healthy part of this recipe is frying pancakes in a little olive oil. I use a light spray of local olive oil when the pan is super hot and add the batter straight away. Leave for a couple of minutes until the pancake lifts easily. Flip or spatula turn. For the first turn, I like to use a spatula. It's safest. I did mess up one flip, but this mixture is so versatile that I managed to mash it back into a pancake shape and you can't even tell. If you don't add cinnamon to these pancakes, they can be sweet or savoury. But for me, any excuse to have something sweet. They are very lightweight and they're great for wrapping anything inside. Add the topping and the filling you love. I'm adding protein-rich cashew butter, chopped local banana, which are tiny today, fresh strawberries, and rolling. I'm making one for my husband with vegan chocolate hazelnut spread I found in Lidl. And I'll serve with slices of lemon from our garden to squeeze over flavour, nutrition and that moistness. What's your favourite pancake filling or topping? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to display in a pretty way. If you're new to my channel, most of my food is naturally super colourful. I love to eat the rainbow. If you're enjoying today's video or this recipe, please hit the thumbs up. And if you plan to make these pancakes or you think they look great, let me know in the comments below. It's cold today, sunny and overcast, but still lovely to eat outside. These pancakes are wicked. I hope you try them. Lunch today is our favourite tofu vegan feta cheese rainbow salad. It is so tasty. You have got to try it. Seriously, gotta try it. This salad has a rainbow of veg, so many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, leafy greens, protein pasta, air-fried tofu and small cubes of vegan feta cheese. The flavours and textures are amazing. I hope you make it and come back and let me know what you thought about it in the comments. I'm using a 500 gram block of medium hard fresh tofu from my local Chinese supermarket. To prep the tofu, I've made a bed of kitchen towel on my countertop to press the tofu. I'm tearing my tofu carefully into chunks. This gives it a different texture that works wonderfully in this salad. I press and change the kitchen towel till the tofu is fairly dry. While the tofu is pressing, I make my marinade straight away. I love lemon juice. It helps the flavours seep into the pores in the tofu. And the main flavour of the tofu will be red vegan pesto. This gives the tofu the most incredible flavour and the salad. I change the kitchen towel at least once. When the tofu is dry enough, I'll add it to the marinade, ripping some pieces a little smaller and let the delicious flavours soak in for as long as possible. My marinade is the juice of 1 lemon and 3-4 tablespoons of tomato vegan pesto, which is nearly half of this jar. Mix the tofu without shaking it too vigorously to coat all the pieces and let it sit for a couple of hours. It's lunchtime. I'm getting my pasta ready. We love the taste of protein pasta in salads and we love to choose the healthiest option. Today we're using this red lentil rollini I got in Lidl. I'm using half the bag, which is 125 grams, of this nutritious high protein pasta. It's quick to cook. Now it's al dente. I rinse to stop it cooking and let it cool. My tofu's marinade for a few hours. I cook it in my air fryer on 200 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, give it a shake, and then cook for another 10, shaking every 5 minutes to make sure it cooks evenly. The rainbow veg are quick to prep. I use 1/3 of a red and 1/3 of a yellow pepper and cube them quite small. I love bell pepper for taste and they're rich in vitamins C, A and B6, so they're great for skin, bone health and organs. And I cube a small, mild, local green pointed pepper. The salad is pretty already. I finally dice 1 fresh red chili pepper. I love the flavour of fresh red chili in this salad. 2 cloves of garlic crushed for flavour, but so it's not overpowering. Cube about 10 vine baby plum tomatoes. We eat a lot of tomatoes. They're rich in antioxidants, linked to reducing the risk of heart disease and some cancers. I cube 1 small cucumber, and then that's all the veg chopped, and the salad's nearly ready. Add around 100 grams of sweet corn, a new colour, vitamins, and I love sweet corn for added protein. This is my favourite vegan feta cheese. It's from Lidl. It costs just over €1, so it's great value and the texture and flavour are great. My second favourite is green V, but this is €4 something. I cube the feta cheese, very small, to spread the lovely flavour right around the salad. Add my pasta. The tofu's cooking lovely. At 10 minutes, I like to give it a shake, put it back in for 5, give it another shake, and put it back in for 5 again. Pink salt and fresh ground pepper work lovely in this salad. I add a few dashes of extra virgin local olive oil. Olive oil is nutritious and it helps release the nutrition in the other salad ingredients. And a sprinkle of dried oregano, which is an impressive superfood. I love that it's rich in calcium. And 4 handfuls of lovely leafy green spinach, which I love because it's rich in iron, folate and calcium. I've added my gorgeous tofu. Now it's time to mix it all up and taste test, adding salt and pepper to taste. I always prepare my salads in big bowls and then add it to a pretty dish once it's all stirred. This is a fabulous salad. I really hope you try it. We eat it all the time. If you're enjoying my recipes today, please hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe with your notifications turned on. I bring out new plant-based vegan recipe videos every week, and add me on Instagram for regular recipe ideas and updates. I'm Sunshine Kirsty 1. Tonight's dinner is loaded nachos. It's a weekend and I always want to keep my what I ate in a days real and honest, and on a weekend we eat some vegan treats. So the nachos and the vegan cheese are not health foods, but we're going to load these nachos with protein-rich soya mince, beans, veg and chilies. And this is an easy meal because I batch made the taco mince last weekend. I'll link it above. It's in my last meal prep video. I love to have mince ready from the freezer for nachos, tacos, wraps, for easy dinners like tonight. It's full of soya mince, beans, spices and tomatoes, so it's packed full of protein, just to heat up in the microwave and add to the nachos. I've grated 2/3 of a block of green V vegan cheddar. I love this brand. And I'm slicing some vegan mozzarella I got in Lidl really cheap. It's okay, but it's nothing to write home about. I don't think I'll buy this brand of vegan mozzarella again. Nachos need some fresh diced onion. I only add a tiny amount to my side. Raw onion makes me bloat. I love plenty of juicy fresh baby tomatoes cubed. I finely slice a whole red chili pepper and I cut 4 or 5 jarred jalepenos for a range of spicy flavours. Once the loaded nachos are cooked, we'll throw fresh coriander on top. We love fresh coriander. I always heat my mince to cooked and then add to my nachos, so I'm heating my mince in the microwave for a few minutes first. As I'll only heat my loaded nachos in the oven for 3 minutes on 200 degrees centigrade to allow the vegan cheese to get all lovely and melty. I'm fairly new to loaded nachos, but we have been loving them like this. If you already make loaded nachos, what toppings do you enjoy on top? Let me know in the comments below. I'm loading our nachos with lots of protein-rich mince, beans, juicy tomatoes, lots of jalapenos, chili peppers, vegan mozzarella, and grated vegan cheddar. And we'll throw fresh cilantro, coriander, extra tomatoes and onion on top of the nachos once they're cooked and served. My trick to making vegan cheese melt is to add the dish to a preheated oven on 200 degrees centigrade, but only for 3 minutes, so the cheese melts but doesn't get crispy. Thank you for joining me for a very real weekend what I eat in a day. I really hope you try the pancakes or the salad. Let me know how you found them or if you plan to make them in the comments. And I'll be back next video with 3 super healthy, yummy, plant-based recipes. Please hit that like button before you leave today. And if you're new, I have lots of recipe videos on my channel with meal prep, batch cooking, and what I eat in a day videos for breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas. I hope you have a beautiful, tasty week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!